Hi gang, here's a neat way of transmitting sound using sunlight. It's called the Photophone and was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1880. It's easy to make. It consists of this transmitter that transmits light and this receiver that receives it. For the transmitter, I have a speaker and a small mirror that'll fit just right on the speaker's cone. I hot glue the mirror to the cone. Then I open up a portable radio and make the wires that went to its speaker extend outside instead. With some alligator clips, I connect those wires to the speaker. To make the receiver, I hot glue a solar cell to a stiff piece of cardboard. Then I tape that to one end of a long box. I tape it well, covering any holes. Looking at the end result, you can see the solar cell inside. The purpose of the long box is to block at least some ambient light from getting in and powering the solar cell. Ideally, we want just the transmitter's light getting in. Then I take it all outdoors. The transmitter's over here, and the receiver's way over here. The transmitter is attached to a tripod for easy adjusting and tuned to a radio station. For the receiver, I've connected the output of the solar cell to my homemade amplifier, but I've also put a 22 nanofarad capacitor in series to filter out unwanted DC from the solar cell. Back at the transmitter, I adjust the speaker and mirror to reflect the sunlight to the solar cell in the receiver's box. I turn on the amplifier, notice what happens when I block the light from the transmitter. How does it work? Sunlight reflects off the mirror and goes to the solar cell in the receiver box. But the speaker that the mirror is attached to is vibrating. That's how it makes sound. That means the mirror is also vibrating. So the sunlight going from the mirror to the solar cell is fluctuating due to the vibrations. This process of putting a signal on top of a carrier, sunlight in this case, is called modulation. The solar cell turns that fluctuating sunlight into matching fluctuating electricity and sends it to the amplifier to be turned back into sound. This reverse process is called demodulation. You can't see the fluctuations in the light from looking at the solar cell. They're too small. But I found that if you're far enough away, looking back at the mirror, then the camera can pick up at least the strongest fluctuations. Well, thanks for watching. See my YouTube channel, rimstar.org, for more neat videos like this. That includes one on how to make the homemade amplifier that I used, another about an easy-to-make pyramid hologram, also known as Pepper's Ghost, and how Prism works to make a rainbow of colors. And don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos, or give a thumbs up, share with your social media, or leave a question or comment below. See you in a bit.